I'm doing great, dear. My name is Jay from Pageant Trend.
Yes.
It's nice to see you again in person. Okay, Win, my first question for you is what made you decide to accept this opportunity?
You know, I'm someone who really takes on opportunities, especially when it feels right. And this moment is right for me. Kung na-feel ko na tamang panahon para sa akin, gagawin ko. And thanks to Miss Anna, thanks to the Miss Universe Philippines organization, and of course, the Miss Universe organization for opening it to all women, including us mothers. Kaya, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Sabi ko, yes, gawin na natin to dahil kailan pa ba ako magkakaroon ng ganitong classic opportunity ulit?
Alright. When it comes to your walk, they said that a tornado walk. So for this Miss Universe Philippines, ano namang walk na tatawagin sa'yo?
Siyempre, depende na yan sa fans. I feel like I leave it to them to decide what kind of or what they want to call the walk because tornado walk came from them. So I think they just have to wait and see what I'm going to do, and if I tell you, it won't be a surprise anymore.
Thank you so much, dear, and congratulations in advance.
Thank you. And I think we have a question from this table.
Hello, Winnie.
Hello.
Welcome back.
I miss
and
you.
Congratulations. Of course. Anyway, my question is, can you tell the difference between Win-Win now and Win-Win before mga 10 years ago?
To be honest, I am still the Win-Win that you know who is competitive. I am still the Win-Win who loves performing on stage. And if I tell you what's going to be the difference, syempre the secret will be out there. But here's one thing that I want to assure you. If you thought that you have seen the best of me, you have to wait and see.
Follow-up question. Aside from yourself, who is your biggest influence in accepting the responsibility of representing Muntinlupa?
Siyempre, aside from my cousin, Michelle Marquez, who is here, diba? I think one person who really motivated me is of course my daughter. Because every time I see her, I see so much possibilities, I see so much positivity in life that everything can happen. And I want my daughter to see me as she grows up as someone who never gave up on a dream. And that's why, again, when this opportunity came, I grabbed it. And that's why I know that I'm going to do my best every step of the way.
And finally, if you could give one important message to all of your co-candidates in Miss Universe Philippines, what it would be?
Because of my experience, for me, this is not a competition. This is a sisterhood. So I'm very, very excited to meet every girl who is part of Miss Universe Philippines, to actually learn from them, because it doesn't mean that I've been in the pageant industry for 10 years. It doesn't mean that I've already won an international crown, that I know everything. I'm excited to learn from them. I'm excited to hear their stories and to actually apply it to myself as well. So good luck to them, and I hope that we have a bond that will last forever as well.
Ready na mag-win. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Anyway, congratulations being a part ng MU Philippines Manila. Yung tanong ko lang, Win, did you imagine yourself na makakabalik ka pa sa pageant after maging mother?
When I decided to become a mother po kasi, sabi ko, baka hindi na ako makasali. I've always had that thought, sali ba kaya ako ulit? Ever since 2015. Pero parang hindi siya dumarating. I wasn't 110% lagi. So hindi ko siya natutuloy. So I said, I think I'll do the ultimate dream already of mine to become a mother and have my own family. So akala ko hindi na po. But the following year, I gave birth. Miss Universe organization opened its doors to all women, to mothers like me as well. And I took it as a sign na baka, sabi ni Lord, gawin mo muna yung pinakagusto mong bagay para maging buo ka. Tapos ibibigyan kita ng door ng opportunity para magawa mo yung talagang gusto mo pang gawin. Kaya ito po ako ngayon, isang mommy, isang nanay, na lalaban sa Miss Universe Philippines.
What preparation din yung ginagawa mo ngayon para to win the crown as Miss Universe?
I've been training for about 2-3 months. And I think tough is an understatement. It hasn't been easy. Dahil iba na po ang pageantry ngayon compared to before. So I educated with myself kung how it is now, especially with social media, with everything that is different right now. Thanks again to my cousin who has been helping me. And to all of the other queens who have joined Miss Universe Philippines has been helping me a lot. I've been training because I know that I want to give a performance that people will remember. And I'm ready to give that now.
My last question is, speaking of your cousin, Michelle D, tanong ko lang, sa dami ng advices na ibinigay niya sa'yo, ano yung tumatak at hindi mo malilimutan na pwede mong i-apply na para maging Miss Universe?
Nako, siya kasi perfectionist yan eh. Siguro ang tumatak talaga sa akin is, if you really want to join and if it's in your heart, do it. No matter the outcome is. Kasi pag nasa puso mo yung ginagawa mo, lalabas at mag-resonate sa ibang tao yun. And yun ang importante. You know, for me, it's not always about winning. It's also about trying. Because when you try, you will never have regrets in your life. And that is what's important.
Thank you, Win, for the win. Thank you.
Hi, Win. This is Carl. So nice to see you again.
Hello.
I'm so happy that you're finally back in the pageant industry. But Win, since you've joined 3 times on national stage, do you believe third time is a charm?
Yes. I want to say yes because I want to have a positive mindset. Because if I don't have that kind of mindset, it will affect me. So I want to believe that third try is a charm and a win-win situation for me.
I believe in you, Win.
Thank you. Thank you, Win.
Hi, Win. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How is motherhood contributing to your confidence now as a man?
You know, I've been very selfless already. The competition is not just about me. The difference before is, syempre, inisip ko yung sarili ko, how I'll do this, how I'll do that. Now, it's not just about me, it's about my daughter, it's about my family. It's about the advocacy that I want people to see. And motherhood is tough, as I said. But Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Universe organization has given us a platform to share our stories, to share my experiences. Kaya, yung motherhood, makikita nyo kung gaano ako katapang ngayon. Makikita nyo kung gaano ako ka-ready. Because if you are beside someone who is whole, I don't think you can actually defeat that.
Hi Wayne, I'm MJ De Leon from Blitz PH. Just one question, because in the past editions of Miss Universe Philippines, we've seen, surprising results, hindi masyadong na-meet yung expectations ng fans, but of course, pleasant surprises din yung iba. So nothing ever is really guaranteed, even for frontrunners. Your thoughts?
Again, it's not about winning.
Okay.
It's really not about winning. It's about how you are on stage, how you give your all on stage. We can never please everyone. You can never be promised of everything. But one thing that you can do is if you give your 110% on stage, that for you is already a win. And I think that's what others should think, that again, winning is not everything. Trying is more important. Because if you do not try and you fear failure more, well, you wouldn't learn, correct? So for me, I'm just gonna give it my all on stage and show everybody that I can do it. That's the best mindset of all.
Okay, thank you. So doon ko lang ng konti. because this is probably the biggest in terms of the number of delegates. They said baka aabot daw ng 80.
Wow.
Without name dropping a
Wow.
specific candidate, are you the type na tumitingin kung sino yung magiging biggest competitor mo? Again, without name dropping. If you want, you can also do it.
You know, I've been following a lot of pageant pages, so of course I have an idea who's going to join. But I don't really dwell on who is going to join. I see their faces, I know they're going to join, but I'm not the type to stalk their pages or what they're going to do, because I also have my own strategies and I want to focus on that. I don't need to focus on other girls' strategies. And alam nyo, pag ganyan kasi, if you want to know, I'm excited for every girl, but I'm actually excited to see, of course, new girls, because I haven't seen them perform. So, yun yung mga inaabangan ko, yung mga bagong candidates. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano sila gagalaw. So, I'm excited to see them once I meet them. Kasi dun ko sila ma-observe. I wouldn't observe them now. I want to see them firsthand.
Ayun, we're excited. Congratulations and good luck.
Hi, Win. I'm Christian from the Crown
Yes,
Philippines. So, how do you feel about the fans giving you the badge of a Latina Slayer icon?
Grabe yung Latina Slayer. Alam niyo hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya. I don't know if I should be called a Latina Slayer, but thank you to all the fans who believe that I am. When I competed in a different pageant, for the first time that no other Filipina did pa, I just gave my all. I just wanted to be Miss Philippines. I just wanted to give the best for my country. And I think nakita lang nila ko anong ginawa ko doon. And I'm very grateful for them. Kasi if wala sila, hindi din ako makakarating kung nasan ako.
Hello, Min.
Hello.
Magandang hapon. Earlier this morning, the Miss Universe organization announced the host country, which is the Thailand, for the 74th Miss Universe pageant. Kumusta yung naramdaman mo? Nagkaroon ba ng extra spark and excitement?
Siyempre, it's an Asian country. It's very near to here in the Philippines. Buong Pilipinas ata pwedeng pumunta doon pag may ilalaban tayo, correct? Hindi magpapatalo ang mga Pinoy. Spark in a way na sana, God willing, ako ang mag-represent ng Philippines.
We can't wait for that.
I hope.
We're excited for you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Min.
you.